some of the more questions of the chapter indefinite integration. So our first question is j is equal to sine squared x plus sin x by 1 plus sin x plus sine squared x, and k is equal to cos squared x plus cos x by 1 plus cos squared x plus cos x. We have to find j and k. This can be done very easily. Firstly, you will find j plus k, which is sin x plus cos x plus 1 by 1 plus there is a correction in the question. This is the question. We get j plus k is equal to 1, and like that we will find j minus k. You can easily integrate and get it, and then you have two equations, two variables, and you will solve to get the answer. So we will move to the second question. Our second question is integral sec squared theta sec theta plus tan theta whole square d theta. In this question, we can take sec theta plus tan theta as t. We will differentiate to get sec theta tan theta plus sec squared theta is equal to dt whole d theta. Now we can write sec theta into sec theta plus tan theta d theta is equal to dt. So now we separate sec theta into sec theta plus tan theta d theta, and we can write this as dt. So this becomes dt. Our integration becomes this integral t dt sec square theta, no sec theta, and we have to now find the value of sec theta to integrate or to find our answer. So we will integrate t dt into sec theta. We know that sec theta plus tan theta is t, and sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by t. So now you can easily get the value of sec theta from here and substitute to get the answer. How we come to know that sec theta minus tan theta is 1 by t? From this identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. A square minus b square formula you will apply and you will get the results. So let's proceed to the next question. Third question is integration sine 101x into sine 99x dx. Then the value of this is, so you can write it as sine 100x cos x plus cos 100x sin x, and this into sine 99x, this also into sine 99x. Here you will combine and get as sine 100x. You can also multiply 100 and also divide it. And now you will see that this is actually a differentiation of a particular term, which is differentiation of sine 100x into sine 100x. It is the differentiation of this. So our answer is sine 100x into sine 100x by 100 plus c. Because we multiplied, then we have to divide also. This is our answer. Now we will move to the next question. Our next question is Integral 1 minus x to the power 7 by x into 1 plus x to the power 7 dx. In this question, we can separate it 1 by x, 1 plus x to the power 7 minus x to the power 7 by x plus 1 by x to the power 7b. We can do integral by differently. This part as another sum and this part as another sum. So in this, you have to take x to the power 7 as t, and this also you have to take x to the power 7 as t, and you can easily solve. And we have done this question previously also. So you won't be facing any trouble in solving these. We will take one more question and we will be ending the today's session. Integral signum of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus x square plus 2x plus 9 dx. You have to find this. This is the first question. We will take one more. Integral of signum x square minus x square plus 3x plus minus 4. This is our second question. Plus signum of e to the power x. This is dx. This is our second question. You can do both in homework as it is very conceptual question, not very calculative. So you can do it in homework. We will take one more question. Let me give you one more question for homework. You will do this. Sin x minus a by sin x plus a. You have to integrate it. And same, we will solve this one. This is homework. I will be solving this one. Both look same, but they have different concept for solving them. This is our question, which we have to integrate. It is a very good question. In this question, firstly, we will expand the term sin cube x, sin x cos alpha plus cos x, sin alpha, sin cube. This is our term. We will take sin to the power 4 as common, and it will come out to be sin to the power minus 2x. And we will get cos alpha plus sin alpha cot x. And differentiation of cot x is what? Cosec square x, which is present here. So this whole term we can put t square. We can put cos alpha plus sin alpha cot x